I will check it out and tell you once. As per that, it is okay. You can go ahead. No need to think about that one. Market Nifty 38 points. Still, it is in downside. But actually, we are buy side. I know. But I don't know why it's unnecessarily Sensex and Nifty even both are on minus side. The other reason I'm waiting for that let it be upside, but still it is. Kumar. No, Kumar. Actually, yesterday and day before yesterday also I am on the market, but day before yesterday I didn't do the market. But yesterday I did it. But I didn't come to online because yesterday I think I just got 7K. So if it is more than 10K only, I just want to upload on online. Otherwise, I don't want to upload it. Every day what I am doing is recorded with a live session only. But I didn't upload on the YouTube in my channel. That whenever I am trading, you if you want, you can join with me for online. Every day I will be on online only. That link I am sending my all my clients. But I decided one thing that if I got 10K more than 10K, then only I just want to go and upload on YouTube. If it is every day I am uploading, I need to spend more time to edit and do something else which are important to other people. Those things will I need to edit and cut that video. I need to upload on YouTube for the limited more. I just want more than 10 minutes. I don't want to upload that one. So that's the reason I am telling. If it is more than 10 minutes, the other users may can't get more time to those things. That's the reason I am only things I am doing this. Okay, 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 okay. Yes. Okay. Then we can do one thing. Nitesh, just better you ping me on my WhatsApp. Then I will tell you then what you have to do and how you have to follow me. Then I will give you the instruction. Just ping me on my WhatsApp. Yeah, this is my WhatsApp only, on which you are talking with me. On which you are messaging me. This number only is my WhatsApp. You can ping me. Okay. 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 Today I kept 500 quantity. Actually, last week I kept completely 200 quantity because of market. There is no any kind of volatility. It's going sideways. The other reason I kept only 200 quantity. This week I thought is going better. Whether it's upside or downside, it should be volatile. I think it's. I felt so, but this week also doing same like this week Monday I didn't do trade because the market is unpredictable. So yesterday I did it just like this 7K like that. But today at least I am expecting 25 to 30 points. 500 into 25, 500 into 30 means at least I am expecting today at least 15K. Because I don't know why actually for last 2 weeks entirely Nifty and Sensex was going upside, but remaining all companies are being in some stable only. But all the people think that market is going very high, Sensex is reaching more time. In Sensex and Nifty, there is only 30 to 50 companies are there in individual. Those companies only increase. I don't know why those are, and the bankings are very high volatile. But remaining companies not go inside. Yeah, better. You can today keep that Mathusumi. I'm sure, damn sure Mathusumi today will give you 10 to 15 points. It will give you. So if you have trust on me, just keep that Mathusumi as well. Still 31, 144. It's going side. Okay. Yeah, that's what I am telling Kiran. Actually, Nifty and yeah, Kiran asking me that Kiran and the Sensex is going down, but you are at the buy side. But even though you are now you are in profit side. That's what I told you just 1 minute back. Nifty has some 50 companies, Sensex has 30 companies. Those are companies. That 50 companies, based on those 50 companies in Nifty and Sensex, will be going high. But other than that 50 companies, there is lot of companies are there. So what are kept today? I think 9 to 11 companies I keep in here, but those all those are not belongs to Nifty and Sensex. Some of the companies may belongs to those Nifty and Sensex group, but out of companies also I kept. So if Nifty is increased, Sensex automatically increase. But if Nifty Sensex increase, remaining which are company not belongs to those family, so those will not be effective to the Nifty and Sensex. That's the reason I will be on the plus side. As you said, if Nifty and Sensex will be down, all companies will be down. If Nifty and Sensex will be up, all companies will be up. It seems if you assume, perhaps, then I think as per our perception, now I am in minus side. Now I mean I didn't get, I shouldn't get the profit here. So based on that, you can assume that what I told you that is correct. So already time is 12 o'clock, but still, but it still is going. 7K means I think it's 14 points. And even Nifty and Sensex also gone so why I don't know why. Why it is going up, why it is going down, no one can tell. For every half an hour, I am taking screenshots to store at what point of time it is going up. 31, 153 still. Better note it down for every half an hour what price Nifty is going, what Sensex is going down. As per my prediction, every day 1 o'clock 10 minutes, afternoon 1 o'clock 10 minutes, market is downside. Just 1 p.m. 10 minutes, it's down. 1 o'clock 10 minutes is down, immediately it's raised up. Otherwise, yes, I observed that one. So for every half an hour, better to take a screenshot of those six Nifty and Sensex screenshot and your profit screenshot automatically. Based on that, we can predict some more things. Okay, it's unpredictable. Apollo Tyre, okay. Today, Apollo Tyre and Indipetro, Sudarshan, Apollo Tyre and this one can't tell. Already, those two companies will reach those high level. So, better close that one. I think more than that it won't get. I think both are can go for up to 3,000. So independent Apollo more than that they won't go. But I am sure, damn sure, Mathusumi today will give you 10 to 15 points. As often it gives I think 7 points. 7 5 is 35. So it gives more than 10, below 15 points. So if you have trust on me, just keep that Mathusumi as usual. And once if you today actually my target is 30 points, but market is very it's going sideways, so that's the reason I just want to close it at 20 to 25 points. Once 20 to 25 points is, immediately I will close the session, except that Mathusumi. Yeah, I just want to waiting for Mathusumi, but remaining all companies I just want to scare off once my target is reached. But Mathusumi I just let it be as usual. Yeah, so damn sure you can trust me, and you can do go forward. Yes, 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 absolutely, absolutely. Madhusumi 3-5, Indipetro 2-8, Apollo 1800, Gale. Gale, no, no. Don't keep Gale in your portfolio as a long term. Better wait. Actually, I told you 15 days back, just keep the Gale in your portfolio for long time. But at that time, if you would have bought that one, you can keep it as it is. But now, don't buy unnecessary because it's already in upper resistance level. Okay, okay, okay. Sure, damn sure. I think, yeah, Madhusumi is reached to 8 points. You know, actually, Hindi Petro and Petronet is, today is going. Both are in vice versa. Every day, Hindi Petro today is plus gives profit, and Petronet gives uh, some loss. But Hindi Petro and Petronet both are belongs to petroleum only. But today, Hindi Petro is in positive side, Petronet is in minus side. Maximum, as per my perception, Independent and Petronet both are in say at same time, same side. Either it is are in profits upper side, whether otherwise those are in downside. But today, Independent is upside, Petronet is downside. 23.117 still Sensex and Nifty on downside. Okay, so today better to don't expect too much profit because we are most of the I think I kept today 11 companies out of 11, 8 companies I kept buy side, and the remaining 3 companies I kept at sell side. So buy side is most of the companies are there, but Nifty and Sensex is at a down level. Maybe immediately market is may fall down. So better to quit with some limited profit. 500 means at least 25 pounds. I'm expecting 500 into 25 means 12k. At least we need to wait. But whatever you want, you can square off. I don't know. But Madarasumi don't leave today. At least better if you can hold that Madarasumi in your portfolio for long period, up to 1 week to 10 days. Definitely will give you the better profit. That Madarasumi surely. In your portfolio, just let it be for intraday also. If you want, you can close today itself. Otherwise, if you can hold that one, if you have investment in your portfolio, just to keep that in your portfolio, just keep let it be for 1 week to 10 days. It gives you the better profit within 1 week to 10 days. Okay, here I think okay, 18 points reached. I think 9k means 18 points. Yeah, better win. No, no, 20. Yes, but 25 points our target is still market 20 to 20. But surely it will go up. Don't worry. Ashok nowadays Ashok yes, good. I think you had purchased it on back, right? I told you when I told you just you had purchased it, right? Yeah, just. then no, you can. I will tell you when you have to square off it. Until then, have to just continue. Yeah, Madhuswami, right? It's 9 points. It reached better. Yes, 10K reached. Means as of now, 21 points. We are in. Four more points. I need to wait. Better actually. I am expecting 30 points today, but the Nifty and Sensex is open today at morning 9 o'clock. It since Nifty and Sensex opened with low in downside only. Even up to as of now, it is going downside. So why unnecessarily take risk? Now time is 12:10, but at yeah, time is 12:10 means we have 3 hours time. In 3 hours time, maybe it immediately fall down. I told you already just now 5 minutes back at afternoon 1 o'clock 10 minutes point of time that automatic market goes suddenly and later it can raise up or goes down continuously. So better give it 1 minute. I reached the target. I just want to close here. Okay, I close the market and I will come on to the WhatsApp group.